You hear this? It's raining. Really, really, really hard. God damn. Yep. Whoa. Y'all hear that thunder? God damn. I don't know if this is safe for me. Cinnamon, you stay here, baby. Don't worry. Yeah, she good. She next to the door. Dome. Goddamn. Door. Well, there you have it, folks. The thunder and rain stopped. But the lightning though ain't here. That's the sad part. Where the lightning at? Where the lightning at? Alright. But still, that's still pretty cool. But that's raining. Look at this. And the sky's like blink white. Like completely white. Let me try to so that you guys can see the clouds. Yup. Yup. Told you it's gonna be a storm.